trying to get over that. That's trying to isolate them.
Oh.
And after a while...
So that's bad advice.
Uh-huh. After a while, you know, whenever you're in isolation, whenever you finally get tired of that person, you tired of that person, you coming out of bondage.
That's a car wash YouTube.
Yes. Oh, are we filming?
Yep, there's actually a dryer buffer.
Okay, well don't say names then if we're filming. Here we go.
Say names.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Hello YouTubers, welcome to the Legends Car Wash in Louisville, Texas.
Hello YouTubers,
Yep.
welcome to the Legends Car
It
Wash
grand
in
opened
Louisville, Texas.
approximately 90 days ago.
It grand opened 90 days ago.
And there's no copycatting
And there's no copycatting
on YouTube videos.
On YouTube videos.
I will be ruining the video.
Here's our menu of selection, YouTubers. I think we're gonna get the
$2 wash.
We need the one that
We don't
drives it.
sell $2.
$3 wash.
We don't sell those.
Well, I just need the tire phone.
We're gonna get the number 2. Because we do need the tires done.
Number 2 for today.
And number 2. It's so
number
hard to
2?
reach these.
What's the difference between a 2 and a 1?
$4. You want a 1?
Yes.
Okay. It's hard to reach this stuff.
If you have a coupon, watch ticket, or prepaid card.
No, we don't ride in the car wash with the window down.
Why not?
Because now with our windows down.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Please take your receipt. Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Come on, gate open.
Yeah, anytime. Oh, for safety reasons, I see. Now we don't have to fold it. Oh, the mirrors don't fold it. Okay, cameraman. We're heading into the, is it the tunnel or the bay, Mr. Cameraman?
The tunnel. And the equipment is Sonnys.
It's a sunny equipment car wash. Or is it a sunny day? Which one is it?
Sonnys
Keep
equipment.
that for your rain wash, rain check.
You can stick it in that little thing.
Actually, it's gonna get busy.
Oh, is it getting busy?
I think they're getting busy right now.
Yeah, it was a big mosquito when I got in here this morning.
Oh no! How?
I guess from last night parking in the fields.
Oh, there's a mirror up high. You can see yourself.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
didn't know that.
Really? He's milking the cow up there.
Yeah, he is. Got his shades on. Cameraman, do you want music?
If you want.
Yeah, I like
Look,
this.
spotlights. Woo! I'm seeing the lights up there.
Now, why do we have to get the best watch?
There's actually the vacuums over
You
there.
always get the best watch for your own car.
You can actually see a sign.
Yeah, and it says somebody's name up there on that sign.
All the pre-soaks are spraying.
Set a reminder to make sure there's a toll tag at 1:45.
Well, did you take the toll out?
I think I left it and I was going to deactivate it. I'm going to find out. Look at, we're getting everything because Mama got the everything wash. Yeah, you got the new car spray. That's part of the package. Ooh, look at that, cameraman.
Yep,
Whoa.
triple colors.
Triphone! I'm spaced out. Now look at it. It looks like carpet. That's how soft it is. This car wash is actually the best one that we've seen. Like real.
That's aggressive.
How do you think it takes a celebrity? that full service, you know? And cameraman, today we gotta go straight to Costco, so.
Who needs celebrity when you have legends?
Yay!
Actually, have legends.
Yeah, look at this
It's
dryer.
actually a better.
What's this dryer called?
Proto vest.
Wow. Awesome. You got
And
that
does-
little chamois, huh?
Yes, and that.
And that doesn't touch the car
No, it doesn't.
because it doesn't scratch the paint off. Yes, brushes did touch.
Yeah, I'll send it to you right now. Okay, bye.
So be safe today.
Oh, with a half an hour to go,
Yes,
I mean-
top brush.
saved the day. Tell me when the light's green.
Wait. I'm done soon. Wait, go.
Green.
Top brush got up, got back.
I tell you what,
That's-
I'll go to Costco for
that's
you
it.
so we've got time to thoroughly clean
For
your
the
car.
vacuum's time.
Oh, I mean, the car is practically clean on the inside. Because I don't let really no one leave anything in here.